Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up before you head out. We're gonna dive right in. We have a lot to get through, as you can see from the thumbnail. We have some clothes to talk about, we have some makeup, we have an Ulta haul, we have some shoes, we have some re-ups of shampoos and stuff like that. So we're gonna dive in. As you can see from the thumbnail, I did pick up the brand new Scooby-Doo and Glamlite collection. I'm thrilled. That is what is on my face today. So you will see this look on tomorrow. I will show you just a couple of the pieces. I don't want to spoil tomorrow's video, but I have a soft spot in my heart and my soul for Scooby-Doo because I've watched it since I was a kid, and Caleb has watched it since he was a kid. We've watched it together. I still have all of his DVDs from Scooby-Doo. We'll get into that tomorrow, so hopefully you'll join me on tomorrow's video. But I will quickly show you what the palette looks like. It is quite heavy. It is a 25 pan palette, and as you can see, it has a beautiful lenticular design on it. I think it is so absolutely stunning. And here is our color story. I'm obsessed. I opted for the purples today, as you can clearly see. So you will see this video tomorrow. Hopefully you guys will join me there, but I did pick up the entire collection, and there might be a giveaway in tomorrow's video. Just FYI. Let me set this to the side. So that was the first thing that I got, and then we'll dive into some shoes. I love slides, and I love shoes that I can just slide on. They're just easy. They're just easy and convenient, and I love them. I also have nerve damage in my legs, so it's really hard for me to wear weighted or heavy shoes. So if I can find shoes that are comfortable and cute, and they're extremely lightweight, I'm in it, okay? So I picked up a couple pairs of Hey Dudes. They did have a big Memorial Day sale. I just ordered these 3 days ago, and I already have them. So incredibly fast shipping, but I did get a little kids pair of slide-ons. These are kids size 6, and they were like 20 bucks. Incredibly lightweight. I obviously haven't worn them out the house yet. I just got them, but they're incredibly lightweight. They're super comfy. I'm already really excited about these. I do have a couple of like the Skechers or Toms or Bobs or something like that that are very similar to the Hey Dudes, but these are my first Hey Dude shoes. And then I also picked up this beautiful like filigree, I think is kind of what it, like filigree I think is what it's called, but it's a beautiful black pair with just, you know, plain black and white. They're stretch. I did get my regular size. I wear a 7.5 or an 8, and I got an 8 in these, and these are big. So that kind of makes me a little bit sad. I did reach out and ask if I could exchange them for a different size. If not, then I'll figure something out. But they're beautiful. They feel super comfy and stuff like that, and obviously they're quite roomy because they're an 8 and they're too big. So that was my bad. I didn't realize that, but super excited. They had clearance sales and then an additional 20% off of the clearance sales. So really, really good prices, and I was looking for a black pair and a white pair, so thrilled about those. Next up, I did not purchase these, and this haul is from this month and last month, just FYI. But I didn't purchase these. But a couple of years ago, just bear with me while I tell my little quick story. A couple years ago, we went through 2020, went through COVID, had a rough year, of course. So in 2021, Brett, Caleb, and I went to Myrtle Beach, and we did like a spring break vacation and stuff like that. Well, we went to like a Nike outlet center, and we were shopping and stuff, walking around. None of us found anything. So we kind of collectively met in one spot and got ready to leave the store. Well, at the exact same time, Caleb and I happened to see this particular pair of shoes, and he ended up buying them because it was the only pair in the entire store, and they were his size. So he bought them, and I was so upset and so mad and so jealous. Obviously not really, but I loved the shoes so much that I literally have been searching for that exact pair in my size, which is typically like a 6 in men's. And finally, I found a pair. So Caleb bought them for me. They are Adidas Ultra Boost. They are the Chinese New Year limited edition pair. And if you know, you know, I love warm tones. I live for warm tones. I love golds and oranges and yellows and stuff like that. So I love these. Absolutely was obsessed with them when he got them. So he got them for me for Mother's Day. I told him I found them, and he literally got them right on the spot. So I'm excited to have these. Ultra Boosts are super, super comfortable. If you're looking for a walking, running, workout type of shoe that there's some weight to them, but they're still very, very lightweight. They're super comfortable, very stretchy, and very, very well padded because the Ultra Boost in them, I'm telling you, they're well worth the price. Well worth the price. So thank you to Caleb. That was a phenomenal Mother's Day gift. Next up, I love maxi dresses. I either wear biker shorts and long shirts, or I wear maxi dresses and I just wear like little biker shorts underneath them. So I saw this maxi dress on Amazon. It's from the brand Lil Better, L-I-L-B-E-T-T-E-R. I got a 2X, but it is this beautiful like mid-tone blue, like tie-dye print. It's like blue and light blue, and it is a full length maxi dress. It is incredibly comfortable. It feels so nice and soft and slinky. It's like this beautiful, yummy brushed combed cotton. I love it. It is incredible. It's incredibly comfortable, very, very flattering. I like that it's wide enough that I can wear an actual bra, a real bra. It does cross over in the front, and it's just really flattering. It kind of crosses over. It's like a lower V cut. It is stunning, and the best part about it, y'all, is got pockets. I love it. I'm obsessed. I think it is absolutely stunning. I may get a couple more and get different ones, but I do already have, you know, a few maxi dresses, but I'm telling you what, maxi dresses, they're cute. It's a one and done outfit. You could dress it up a little bit. You could dress it down. If it gets a little breezy in the springtime, you throw you on a little shawl or a little jean jacket. I love maxi dresses, just saying. Next up, I love Lights Lacquer. If you've been here with me for a long time, they are my all-time favorite nail polishes. I have followed Kathleen Lights for many, many years, and I was getting KL polishes as well. She just dropped her brand new summer collection. And if you would have seen a few videos back, I did have my nails done with all of the colors, but here is the collection. And I think that they do nail polishes beautifully. I actually have on one of the glitter shades right now. I love the polishes. I love the different finishes, the colors and stuff like that. But most importantly to me, they don't chip as quickly as most. And as you can see, it is a very wide and rounded applicator brush. That is key. I'm telling you, it makes their polishes stand out for me. So I got the entire collection. I also got everybody, I'm in like the Lights Lacquer Facebook group. Everybody was recommending this Fill Me In. And I don't have yellow nails, but I do get ridges sometimes. But basically the premise is that you put this over if you have yellowing nails, ridges, whatever. And then if you're going over with a lighter shade or, you know, like a jelly formula, it becomes more opaque and it kind of hides that yellowness or any staining or anything like that. So think of it as kind of like a primer, but for your nail polish. I'm obsessed. I love the collection as a whole. I think especially heading into summertime, even though I've already worn the collection. I love nail polish. I think it's another way of, you know, kind of like makeup and hairstyles and stuff like that, or clothing. It's a way to express yourself. I like to paint my nails all different colors. I like to keep my nails painted. I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled to have that collection. And then last but not least is the most expensive but smallest Ulta haul I believe I've ever gotten. I did re-up on my Hemp's body wash. If you know, you know. It's the best. It's the greatest body wash of all time, in my opinion. It's already in my shower. These were also in my shower, but I brought them out. I asked on Facebook for shampoo and conditioner recommendations, and I just happened to see this one, and it was 50% off, so I opted for it. But it's the BioLage Ultra Hydra Source Shampoo and Conditioner for dry hair. They are vegan, cruelty-free, and a 100% recycled bottle. So they were on sale for like $11 a piece. I've used each of them 3 times now. I've been using it for about 9 days, 10 days-ish. Love. I mean, like, it's bringing out like my natural waves beautifully. My hair looks really pretty and shiny. It smells incredible. And look, my sniffer still kind of broke from COVID, y'all, but I can smell this and it smells divine. My hair feels incredible. So I think it's a win thus far. I'll definitely keep you guys updated. I used to have this product, and then y'all know I shaved my head 2 years ago, so I got rid of all my hot tools. I gave my little cousin everything I had. And then, you know, I'm growing my hair back out, so now I have nothing for my hair. So I bought this again, and I can attest to how great it is, but it's the Bedhead, the TIGI, a Wave We Go adjustable tourmaline ceramic waver. I love this. It works phenomenally. It's different temperature variations and stuff like that. It's adjustable, high heat up to 400 degrees, multiple heat settings, an automatic shut off, and it has a limited warranty and everything on it. I think this was $45-ish, but well worth it. When my hair was long a few years back, I used it all the time, and the waves you get from this, chef's kiss. Beautiful. If you're looking for one, you do not need to spend $300 and $400 and $500 for one. I promise you. Also to note, because this is such an expensive thing, and y'all know I'm on a no buy, a very low buy, I ended up ordering some stuff for Mother's Day, and none of my mom's stuff actually came in, which kind of upset me a whole lot, obviously. And all of the freebies, I'll get to that too, all the freebies that I bought were not available when customer service finally issued my products back to me. So because of that, I had some gift cards to use, and I also had $30 worth of points. So just FYI, that's the main reason why I bought what I did when I did. With that, anytime that I know I'm already gonna shop, I knew I wanted the waiver, I knew I needed shampoo, and I knew I needed to re-up on my body wash. I try to shop when I pay attention to my emails, notifications, and stuff like that, and if I see a really good gift with purchase or $5 off a $40 purchase, things like that, and I already know this time I had gift cards and I had $30 in points. When I see a really good sale and I see a really good gift with purchase and I already know I'm going to shop, that's when I pull the trigger, that's when I shop. So because of that, I went ahead and I did opt for getting my mom a little bit more of an expensive gift, but I let her pick this out, so if she happens to see this, she picked it. But her birthday is also coming up, but she wanted the Paco Rabanne Fame perfume, and it was like $78-ish, something like that. But I saw this set that had the fragrance and then a mini fragrance for literally like $2 more than that. So I opted to get this, and because this obviously was expensive, the waiver was $50. I also got a massive gift with purchase, y'all, and I'm super stoked. Let me show you the last couple things that I got, and then we'll go through the gift with purchase. Y'all are gonna just wait. I also got the brand new Fenty Gloss Bomb Heat, but this is the Glass Slipper Heat. It said new, I'm assuming it was new, but this one is the clear one. I do have the Gloss Bomb Heat that's in the red. I actually keep that in my car. Love it. It's not as much of a burn, tingle, intense plumpness the way that the Too Faced one is. That's just my favorite. I'm a weirdo, I know, but I love the burn. But this is right there with it. It's not as harsh. So if you're looking for a lip plumper that actually works, but gives you that actually works, gives you a little tingle, gives a little bit of plumpness, but it's also hydrating and it's not as intense, this is what you want. And then last up, before the gift with purchase, I got this really cute Invisibobble, the adjustable headband hair halo. And I don't really know how it adjusts, but it looked cool. Yeah. But it was pink. Of course, my favorite colors are pink and yellow, and it had some really cute like little rhinestones on it. And if you know, you know, I literally have an entire tower of headbands sitting right beside me. I love headbands. Y'all want to know why? Look, come close. Closer. Closer. Because I'm lazy as hell. And they look cute. And they keep my hair out of my eyes when I'm doing my makeup. Okay, that's why. Anyways, let me move some of this out of the way. And then I will show you our gift with purchase. I won't go through everything because it's a ton. But I could not pass it up. This entire thing right here, and it's crazy heavy, is completely full. We got the train case, which already I think is cute as hell. And the entire... oh gosh, I'm gonna drop something. The entire thing is completely full. I mean, full to the brim, you guys. And I love getting stuff like this. I do $40 mystery boxes. If you happen to be interested, you can message me on Instagram and let me know, or comment down below. But I do makeup mystery boxes. I like to do random act of kindness. I do giveaways, a ton of secret giveaways here on my channel. So I like to have things that when people pay for a package, they buy something from my group, buy a mystery box, I'm sending something out. I like to have these things, first of all, for myself, because they're try me travel size items. I can pack them in my overnight bag. I can test new products and brands that I haven't tried before without breaking the bank. And then I can also add these to my different packages. So I'll go through a few things. I have the MAC Magic Extensions Fiber Mascara. We have some shampoos and some conditioners, some Biolage Color Last. That's probably fabulous if the other one I've been trying is that great. Other favorite brand, Hemp's, the Hemp's Lavender and Chamomile Body Moisturizer. We have some Pureology. Several of you actually recommended Pureology to me as well. The Pureology 21 Benefits Multitasking Leave-In Hairspray. Leave-In Spray for color treated hair. We have some Bondi Sands tan stuff. I won't use that. I'll pass that along to a friend that I know uses it. We have some Way leave-in conditioner. We have a Redken product. And then I'll get through some of the makeup products. We have a Tartelette tubing mascara, which I'm obsessed with. I love that. We have the brand new Benefit Fluff Up Brow Wax. We have the Fur Oil for hair down there. We have a Sunday Riley CEO Glow. We have a mini of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. There's still a ton of stuff in here. We have a Beauty Counter Reflect Effect AHA Smoothing Facial Mask. Quite heavy and quite a big size. We have a Victor & Rolf Good Fortune perfume. We have a Black Opium by Yves Saint Laurent, which is one of my all-time favorites. We have a Loving Tan Deluxe Gradual Tan Tinted Body Lotion. That I may actually try. We have one of my all-time favorite brands, Supergoop Mineral Matte Screen. I will not be using the matte because we know I'm dry as hell. Next up, a pretty good size of Good Molecules Gentle Retinol Cream. We have a Strivectin Anti-Wrinkle, and there's still tons and tons and tons of stuff, including a Natasha Denona Single Shadow. Look, this is a fantastic freaking box, you guys. That is my haul. That is my collected haul from the past couple of months. Thank y'all for joining me today. Again, try to shop when you can get points. I use discount codes every time I buy something. Like with the Glamlite, I always use the code from Allie. I think it's either Allie or Allie D. Like when I shop Juvia's Place, I use the code OHEMA. I try to use discount codes, coupons. I try to shop when I can get the best bang for my buck and get something that I know that I can pay it forward and use. Try to use my points and stuff like that. I try to shop when I know I need stuff where I can get a gift with purchase. That's my method of trying to shop with things. I take full advantage of Afterpay and Affirm and stuff like that. But thank y'all so much for joining me. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.